This 2023 Forest River Ozark 2630 RBKX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bonne Terre, Missouri, 63628 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Bonne Terre. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.